Remember the era when holding a BlackBerry meant you were the most premium person in the room. That iconic click-clack keyboard, that mesmerizing LED notification light, and that undeniable boss energy. Then, the touchscreen wave hit, and BlackBerry seemed to vanish into the pages of history. But folks, what if I told you the legend is staging a massive comeback? And it's returning in a fierce, futuristic avatar. That's right, the BlackBerry Key 5G is officially on the radar. Today, we're cracking open the details. Is this the ultimate comeback, or is it just a nostalgia bait? Let's dive in. Design. Nostalgia meets modern swag. First up, the looks. If you're an OG BlackBerry lover, you're going to fall in love instantly. That legendary physical QWERTY keyboard is back, but it's been refined. We're looking at a 4.5-inch display that finally gets a 90Hz refresh rate, so say goodbye to stutter and hello to buttery smooth scrolling. And yes, that signature pulsing LED notification light. It's back, and honestly, it's still the coolest way to stay connected without even touching your phone. In the build, we're talking aerospace-grade aluminum and a Kevlar finish. It doesn't just look premium, it feels like an absolute tank in your hand. This isn't just a gadget, it's a statement. Camera segment. Let's be real, BlackBerry cameras used to be, well, let's just call them functional. But this time, they aren't playing around. We're looking at a 110-megapixel dual camera setup that isn't just about the specs, it's about real-world performance. For the selfie squad, there's a 12-megapixel front sensor designed to keep your social media game sharp. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, this camera is built to deliver content creator-level clarity. Performance. They didn't skimp on the internals. Tucked inside is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. Imagine having that tactile, satisfying keyboard paired with a chip that can handle heavy multitasking and serious gaming without breaking a sweat. Running on the latest Android OS with 5G connectivity, this device is fully future-proof. Whether you're smashing through emails or editing content on the fly, this phone is ready for the grind. Battery life. BlackBerry was always the king of reliability, and that heritage continues. We're getting a massive 5000 mAh battery, and the company is claiming a solid 2-3 days of use on a single charge. The verdict, price and availability. So, the big question, when and how much? Rumors suggest a price point around $350 to $400, with a targeted launch slated for late 2026. Is it going to succeed? Look, in today's fast-paced world, if you are someone who values productivity, speed, and the tactile typing experience, this phone is an absolute game changer. It's for the people who want to stand out in a sea of identical glass slabs. Are you ready to ditch the flat, lifeless touchscreen and return to the satisfying click of a real keyboard, or has the touch-only life completely won you over? Let me know in the comments below, I want to hear your thoughts.